Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a tutorial on this look that I'm wearing right now, and I have created this look using the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and I believe it's 01. Yes. So before I start with the tutorial, I just want to say that I have recently bought this palette, recently added in my makeup collection. I have never tried this before. I had heard about this palette but really never tried. Okay, and I know that I'm very late to review this, but there might be some people like me or absolute beginners who yet did not know about this palette. So I'm gonna talk about it anyway. So I don't want to miss out on saying all this because I generally bluff in front of the camera and not a well-spoken person in front of the camera. So I'm gonna take my notes and just say out whatever I felt about this palette, because I know if I'm gonna do it on my own, I'm gonna miss out something, so please excuse me. So yeah, and I'm reading it from my phone, whatever points I have noted about this palette. So this palette is amazingly pigmented and very easy to blend with. So this is the first time I have created a look with this palette, and I found all the pigments, I found all the shades to be very pigmented. Even the lightest shade in the palette is really pigmented. Most often what happens is that the lightest shade is generally very chalky and generally of that nature, but I didn't find it to be chalky. It was really well pigmented, and I'm also using it on this look, so you will know. I didn't find any of the pigments that I used are chalky. So I believe the other shades are mostly shimmer, so they cannot be chalky. Definitely they are not chalky. And there is minimum fallout. Yeah, there is minimum fallout. Like, first I'm creating the eye look and then I'm going with the foundation because I knew there would be some fallout, but there was very minimum fallout. Like, even when I was told you I'm not really good with the camera, speaking to the camera. Okay, so what I'm saying is that even when I was blending with my brush here, in the swiping motion, generally you will see fallout in the corner of your eyes and even under your eyes, but I did not see much fallout. Okay, and it is beginner friendly. Yes, it is definitely beginner friendly because this retails for 200. No, I'm wrong. I'm definitely wrong. The original price will be somewhere on the screen. It's quite affordable, and 9 pan of shades which are beautifully pigmented is quite amazing at this price. And I think they have 6 ultimate palettes like this, if I'm not wrong, and I haven't bought all of them because first, no money. Second, I really wanted to test it out first, one of the palettes, and see how it works for me. So with everything said, I hope let's get started.
Okay, so first I'm taking this brown shade and buffing it all over my lid but not past my crease. In fact, I don't need to say much than tell you that this look is so simple and yet so chic, and I'm repeating the same step with next 2 shades as well. And so I should stop speaking at all and let you watch and relax. So enjoy. Okay, so hey, I'm back because I need to speak again. So after this, I wore my foundation and I'm using this small brush with no additional product to just blend out the edges. Now for lipstick, I'm wearing Swiss Beauty Pure Matte Lipstick in shade Burgundy, but it's not 100% matte, it's little creamy and satiny. So to make it absolutely matte, because I wanted to, I am buffing powder with the small brush. So that completes this look. I hope you liked it. In case I missed any products, you can find them in the description box. I will see you next Thursday. Bye.